Hey there, YouTube. Today I'm installing the Quicksilver 803-060T1 Poppet on my 1996 two-stroke 115 horsepower Mercury. And what was happening, and what might still be happening, is that it would idle fine all day, but when I got on it and hit like 3,000 RPMs, when I'm pulling a tube, it would overheat. But in my other video, I uploaded like 7 years ago or whatever, I said that the grommet is grooved or keyed for the Poppet, and that's not the case. This is called a carrier for the Poppet, and inside of it is a grommet that comes off, and this grommet actually goes inside of it, and I was actually wearing through the grommet. So yeah, it's not keyed. That was just wear from 20 years of the Poppet going in and out and gravity. And that friction eventually broke this loose. When I took out the Poppet this time to look at it, this just came out with it. It just like fell out. Like this had shrunk from all the years. So yeah, I got the kit that had everything in it. The kit that I just showed actually has the Poppet. It comes disassembled, but if you have the old one, it's pretty easy to assemble. You know, just put together the same way the other one was. This spring does go inside this bowl. A lot of the other ones that you see on the internet are assembled with the spring in here, like on this shaft. Maybe it's just on the newer motors they do that, but if the spring was installed on this shaft, what would it be springing? Like if this was compressed here, it has nowhere to move. So it's definitely supposed to go in the cup. So I read online in like a couple forum posts that you're supposed to put Loctite on this and then maybe even stake it in there. But I can't find anything in the official service manual that says as such. And plus I think this is nylon and Loctite eats plastic. So this part is conical. This part goes in that way. That's how it came out. But anyway, all I did was took a 27mm half-inch socket and pounded that sucker in there with a rubber mallet, and it seated really hard like a bearing, so I don't think that's going anywhere now that it's a new one and not a 30-year-old one.